Please also proceed to Court 1. Lovely Ann Rapira and Antoinette Catalan. Lovely Ann Rapira.
Next game, Boy
Red
Vince
Armor.
Malnegro and Asi Cubero forward.
Antoinette Catalan, Blue Armor.
And also prepare Cortado and Clint Oswald Pukip. Asa man si Cortado. Where the
Winners
full year.
sa Court 1. Ayaw na makalayo kay Dixo Tag Finals na eh.
Clint.
Mado.
Si Clint.
Red Armor.
Pag-gear na po. And the winner by unanimous decision, Red Armor, Kevin James Lagari, and will proceed to the final match. Next game, Cortado and Tukip, please wear your complete gears. Again, Cortado and Tukip, please wear your complete gears. Kay kamoy sunod.
Time! And the first round. Asa man si Rapira? Rapira?
Iandam daan ang mga gears ha.
Ay.
Ito dito na tani.
Ako ano yung Timyo. Okay, start for the second round.
Time.
Go, go, go. Laban, laban.
Again, next game, please be ready. Cortado and Tukip. Cortado, alas Cortado. Tukip. Alas
Time!
Tukip.
End of the second round. Okay, start. This is the third round of the semi-final round.
Time.
Quiet. Stop, stop. Disarm red.
Cortado and Tukip, please wear your headgears now. Kay last round tani ka muna para dito na tani mga dudong. Again, Cortado and Tukip, wear your
Stop.
headgears.
Time.
Para dito na tani.
And of the third round, take off the headgear. Next fight is Christine J. Kimado, or Red Armor, versus Antoinette of John, Blue Armor. After that will be Lovely Ann Rapira versus
Time.
Antoinette Catalan.
proceed to the court now. Next bout.
Okay, players. Players.
Okay, ako sa i-declare si Boy Vix Malnegro, sir, na winner niya.
We have a winner.
Man, eh.
Winner by split decision. Blue. John Mark Buaya. John Mark Buaya will proceed to the finals round.